2 days ago, when I started with a severe sinus infection and a cold, I showed you guys how I went back to the Amish recipe, fire water. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the elderberry syrup. First, you want to start with 1/2 cup dried elderberries. And then secondly, 2 cups of water, 1 cinnamon stick or 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 5 whole cloves, 1 cup of honey. And here's how you do it. Let it simmer 20 minutes and then strain, and then add 1 cup of honey. The dosage, 1 tablespoon every hour until feeling better. Children, only 1 teaspoon.